Hello guys, welcome to iTutor. Today we will discuss the impact of pollutant on human health. It's a continuation of environment and development chapter. So we will start and we will see what are the pollutant affecting the human health. The existence of harmful substances causing an adverse effect on the environment and on human health is known as pollution. It can occur in different forms like air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, radioactive pollution, light pollution, etc. Air pollution has a major impact on human health. With the onset of industrialization, there has been the changes in atmosphere due to the fire used for generating energy. Not only industrialization but different modes of transport, the burning of fossil fuel, forest fire, burning of leaves, large-scale agricultural waste, industries and power plant are some of the main sources of air pollution. They are consisting of odors, gaseous pollutant, and the gaseous means gas pollutant, and suspended particulate matter, that is SPM, in the form of dust, smoke, mist, and fume. So these are the pollutant. Air pollution are there, water pollution are there, soil pollution are there. The mode of pollution are different, and the main cause is the industrialization and other changes in the atmosphere because of the use of more fire, like transportation, burning fuel, etc. Okay, and these sources of air pollution release harmful gases and substances that are poisonous for human being. Some of them are sulfur tropospheric ozone, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, suspended particle matter. Okay, common air pollutant are here, that is particulate matter, we already saw that, and ground level ozone, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, volatile organic compounds. These are the common air pollutant. Okay, please note down this. It's one question is must from the pollution part, because nowadays in our country India also facing the pollution. You already saw in the news like Delhi is facing huge pollution because of the industrialization in Gurgaon and other areas. And here one chart is there. Here I mentioned pollutant and their category also, and their example, physical state and major sources. Okay, you just go through this portion and chart thoroughly. You will get more pollutant categories and their examples also, and their physical state and major sources of that pollutant. Okay, it's very important. The pollutant source, you just maybe some objective questions will come from this side also. So go through this chart thoroughly. I'm not just explaining this because it's very simple only. The photochemical oxidant, its example is ozone, and the photochemical oxidants, the state is, physical state is gaseous form, and this source is pollutant in the troposphere, product from NOx to the NOx, and volatile organic compounds such as methane or CO, and stratospheric ozone in the stratosphere, protection from UV but destroyed by chlorine or bromine compound, ozone hole. That is the major source of this pollutant. Okay, like that I explained sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, that is NOx, and polycyclic hydrocarbon, mercury, Hg, and lead, Pb, and Pm, including PM10 and PM2.5, inhalable particles, suspended particles, black carbon, organic carbon, etc. And the effect of air pollution on human health depend upon the physical and psychological of the person who is affected by air pollution. Many organs or body functions can be harmed by this. Some of the consequences are respiratory disease, cardiovascular damage, fatigue, headache, and anxiety, irritation of the eye, nose, and throat, damage to reproductive organs, and harm to the liver, damage of nerve system. People living in urban areas are the sufferers as they are more exposed to this air pollution. And health impact of some specific air pollutant. One is tobacco smoke. It generate harmful chemicals and cause cancer to the smoke. It also affect the passive smoker, like burning sensation in the eye or nose, throat irritation, etc. And volatile organic compound, they can cause irritation of the eyes, throat, nose, headache and nausea. They even can damage the liver and other parts of the body. And here one chart or picture is there, and here effect of air pollution on health. Okay, human body को कैसे air pollution are affecting, and all the human, most of the all the human body will affect actually the air pollutions. Okay, you can go through it when you get free or something, you just go through the chart also, you will get and more idea. And how lead affected the exposure damage the nervous system, digestive problem, cancer. It is also dangerous to small children. And ozone, the exposure to this gas causes itching on the eye, burning and watery. It also increases respiratory disorders like asthma. It also lowers the resistance to cold and pneumonia. And nitrogen oxide, this gas make the children disposed to respiratory disease in winter. And carbon monoxide combines with the hemoglobin and lessen the required oxygen that enters our blood through lungs. This causes changes in the function of the affected organ like the brain and cardiovascular system. It also affects the concentration level, makes one sleepy. Okay. And sulfur dioxide in the air are caused due to the increase in the burning of fossil fuel. It causes disease of lungs and other lung disorders like wheezing and shorten of breath. That is because of sulfur dioxide. And suspended particle matter, SPM, they consist of dust, mist, fumes and smoke. These are the combination of suspended particle matters, and the main component of SPM that affect the health are lead, nickel, arsenic and those present in diesel exhaust. When we breathe these particles, it affect our lungs, causing lung damage and respiratory problem. Okay. And like air pollution, water pollution is also harmful to human beings. Water is very important for survival. We need clean water for drinking, irrigation of crop and many other purposes. If the water resources like the lake, river, stream are polluted and contaminated, it will affect our health. We are going to daily, this is the water pollutant like Ganga, Yamuna are polluted very heavily. We are reading the news daily basis in Hindu also, other newspapers also. And at their after effect also we know, right? If we drink polluted water, then disease like amoebiasis, typhoid and hookworm will affect our health. And water is polluted by chemicals like heavy metal, lead, pesticides and hydrocarbons causes hormonal and reproductive problem, damage the nervous system, liver and kidney. Exposure to mercury causes disease like Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, heart disease and death. If the sea beaches are polluted, then disease like rashes, hepatitis, gastroenteritis and diarrhea, stomach ache and vomiting will happen. Water pollution also affect our marine life, which is one of the food source. Soil pollution happens when the toxic chemical, pollutant or contaminant in the soil are high, causing risk to the plant, wildlife, human being and to the soil. The major cause of soil pollution are use of chemical like pesticides, herbicides, insecticides and fertilizers are the main factor. The breaking of the underground storage tank, leakage of waste from landfills, direct discharge of industrial waste, harmful irrigation practices, improper maintenance, leakage from sanitary sewage, acid rain falling onto the soil, fuel leakage of automobiles that soak in the soil. Soil pollution can have harmful effect on ecosystem, human beings and plants. It can harm the water and food which are in direct contact with the polluted soil. And in noise pollution, where there is too much noise or unpleasant sound causing a temporary disruption in the natural balance, is known as the noise pollution. The main cause of noise pollution are industrialization, poor urban planning, social events, transportation, construction activities, household cause. Noise pollution causes health issues like hearing problems, sleeping disorder, cardiovascular issues, trouble in communicating. These are the main effect of the noise pollution. And next one is radioactive pollution. Radioactive pollution happens when there is the presence of radioactive material in the environment caused by the emission of harmful radiations like alpha or beta particles or gamma rays. The main cause of radioactive pollution are nuclear accidents from nuclear energy generation plants, the use of nuclear weapon for mass destruction, mining, spillage of radioactive chemicals, test on radiation, cosmic rays. The major effect of radioactive pollution are genetic mutation, diseases like cancer, infertility in soil, cell destruction. And some of the solution for radioactive pollution: we should dispose the radioactive waste properly, like burning the waste. We should properly label the content of any radioactive content so that one can take protective measures to handle it. Banning of nuclear tests. We should think of alternative sources of energy like solar energy, hydroelectric and wind power. Proper storage or containers should be there for the radioactive material so that there is no leakage. And light pollution. By light pollution, we understand the excessive, flashy and unwanted particle lighting. The cause of light pollution is mainly due to the industrialization and modernization. And following are the adverse effects of light pollution. Over illumination causes headache, fatigue, stress and anxiety. Light trespass during night causes the sleeping disorder, and glaring on outdoor light decrease our vision and the chance of accidents increase. So human activities have polluted environment that we live in, but at the same time, we are also trying to repeal the damage caused by pollution. Small efforts we make towards our greener environment can start showing its effect. We can still keep and save what is left from our natural resources to make the world a better place to live for our future generation. That's why the UN is initiated the sustainable development and their goals and targeted we saw in last videos. And this is the effect of pollution, and you just go through thoroughly. It's very important chapter and common also, not only for UGC exam and other exams also asking environment and their effects, pollution, etc. Main topics are nowadays, and current affairs also will come through from this topic side. So we will discuss a question after ending up this chapter. Okay, so hope you understood, and if you like the video, please like it, and thank you.